Today we're touring this stunning Florida home. This home has everything you need to have a comfortable, modern, private lifestyle here in the city of Port St. Lucie. Let's go check it out.
This thoughtful split floor plan features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 beautifully designed bathrooms, making it perfect for both hosting guests or family living.
Enjoy the peace of mind of full hurricane impact windows and doors, which are going to keep you safe during those crazy hurricane seasons. This home has a covered and screened-in patio, which is perfect for relaxing evenings or for weekend gatherings.
This 2-car garage with epoxy floors adds durability and a polished finish, making it perfect for projects or storage needs.
This home sits on a 10,000 square foot lot and had a brand new wood fence installed, which is great for privacy. It's also large and spacious, which is great for pets and kids to play.
Located in a quiet, no HOA community, this home gives you freedom and flexibility without the restrictions. Just seconds from downtown Port St. Lucie and all the dining, shopping, and entertainment along Federal Highway. A short drive to the beautiful shores of Jensen Beach, you'll love the convenience and lifestyle this location offers.
Thanks for taking the tour with us today. If you guys would like a private tour or have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'm Cody. This is Jair with the Homes by Cusi team. We're friendly.